In this video, I'm going to show you how to add new account on Amazon Prime Video. So what you're going to do, just open up your Prime Video and log into your Prime Video account. So once you've logged into your Prime Video account and you want to add a sub account or a sub profile to your account, so what we can do, you can click on your profile, which is on your top right here. Click on your profile icon and then here click on your name. So when you click on your name, you'll get to this screen here. So here you can add various sub profiles. If you have for example, one account is being used by certain family members, then you can add profiles for each one of them, like for your kids, for your partner and all those things. So all you have to do is hit on this plus icon here and then enter a name. So just enter any name. So for whoever you want to create that to, okay, enter that and hit on save. When you click on save, you'll see that a new profile has been created, and if you click on it, so now this new sub profile that you created is now being that's what you're logged in now, and you can now add your shows, watch lists and everything you can create for this specific profile or the account that you just created, and this is not going to affect your other accounts or other sub accounts or profiles that you have. Okay, this will be separate. So that's how you create a new account. And if you want to create an entire new account from scratch, not related to your current account, then you can simply click on your main profile here. Just log out from your main profile. Okay, so log out from your main profile and then just sign out, and then you have to sign back in or sign up with a fresh brand new account. You can do that too if you want to have a brand fresh new account. Okay, that's pretty much it is.